What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math land, we are comparing and ordering whole numbers. Look at the silly little alligators. I wonder if they mean anything. I guess we'll find out. Go to the description and download the notes. If you have a printer, you can print those out and follow along. Let's get right into it. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Comparing and ordering whole numbers. Comparing numbers helps us decide which is bigger or smaller. Now, you might remember these symbols right here. These are the less than, greater than, or equal to symbols. You know what the equal to symbol is. It just means that number is equal to that number, like 7 equals 7, and 5 equals 5, and a million equals a million. Easy. But what about these guys, the less than or the greater than? What does that mean? Well, we read this right here as 5 is less than 9. We read this one as 3 is greater than 1. Okay? Less than means smaller than. Greater than means bigger than. You may have learned back in the day that you just pretend that these guys are little silly little alligators, and the alligators like to eat the big numbers. Look at the alligator and all of his teeth. So the 5 is going to eat the 9. Okay? Because 9 is bigger than 5. Look at the alligator over here. Look at the silly little alligator over here. That one has messed up eyes. He's going to eat the bigger number. I don't know, whatever works. I'm not going to view it that way. I'm just going to be is less than, is greater than, or is equal to, whatever floats your boat. But if you like the alligators, be my guest. Now, here's tips into doing these. Okay? You start comparing from the leftmost digit. That's that number right there and that number right there. And you work your way right. Okay, so are these numbers the same? Okay. If they are, you move on. Okay, then are those numbers the same? Then are those numbers the same? Once you have numbers that are not the same, you can determine whether that one number is bigger than that one number. Okay, and we're going to use the symbol to show the relationship. So I'm going to start here at 800 and 800. Those digits are the same, can't do anything. Then we do the 5 here and the 5 here. Those numbers are not the same, or are the same, so can't do anything there. But finally, the 3 and the 1. The 3 is bigger than the 1, so we draw the symbol where it eats the bigger number. Okay, and then we can read this as 853 is greater than 851, because 853 is a larger number than 851. All right, let's do it. So let me show you about 4 of them. You're going to try about 3 of them. Let's see how we do. Let's compare this number. Remember, we learned how to read and write out numbers, so we'll read these out. 92,105 to 91,998. So you start at the leftmost digit. Those are the same. Then you go to the second one. They're not the same. This 2 right here is larger than that 1 right there. Eat the 2. Then we read this as 92,105 is greater than 91,998. Okay? There you have it. Let's do it again. Compare 9,450,420 to 7,402,318. Okay, so the 7s are the same, can't do anything there. The 4s are the same, can't do anything there. That 5, though, is bigger than that 0. So let's eat the 5. So now we read this, that's a greater than symbol. Now we read this as 7,450,420 is greater than 7,402,318. All right, let's keep going. Let's use a different color. Now we've got 9,945 compared to 9,999. 9s are the same. 9s again are the same. That 4 is smaller than that 9. Eat the larger number. And so we have 9,945 is now less than 9,999. All right, one more. Let's use green for that alligator. 6,780,214 blank. 6,780,241. Sixes are the same. Sevens are the same. Eights are the same. Zeros are the same. Twos are the same. Finally. 1 and 4. 4 is bigger than 1. Eat the 4. And now we can read this as 6,780,214 is less than 6,780,241. All right, so I did 4. I would like you to try these 3 on your own. Pause the screen, write everything out, give your answers, unpause it, check your work. I'll wait. Oh, welcome back. All right, so hopefully we get the right answers. We've got 5,908,312 versus 5,980,123. So 5s are the same, 9s are the same, but that 0 and that 8 are not the same. 8 is bigger than 0. Eat the 8. 8 to eat. And so we can now say, because that's a less than symbol, 5,908,312 is less than 5,980,123. 2 more. Hopefully you got that right. Hit the like and subscribe button if you got it right. Let's see if that works. Probably won't. New color. Compare 214,765 to 214,756. 2s are the same. 1s are the same. 4s are the same. 7s are the same. Finally, 6 and 5. 6 is bigger than 5, so eat the larger number. And now we can read this as 214,765 is greater than 214,756. Okay? If you got that right, like and subscribe and watch 15 other of my videos on 4 times speed so I get the same amount of money. 8s are the same. 4s are the same. 0s are the same. Another group of 0s are the same. 9s are the same. Finally, a 0 and a 2. 2 is bigger than 0. Eat the 2. And so we would read this as 8,400,902 is less than 8,400,920. So, comparing. Oh, no, I forgot. We have to wrap it up. So now let's do this. Now we're going to order these numbers from least to greatest. So let's do that. We have 6 and a 6. They're all the same. Okay. 2s, they're all the same. Now it's different. That 1 versus that 5 versus that 1. So what we need to do is, you're going to be my biggest because 1 and 1 are smaller than that 5. So you are going to be my biggest. Let me put you over there. 6, 2, 5, 1, 3, 9, 0. 6,251,390. Now let's take a look at these guys because we're not quite done yet. Okay. We have a 6, 2, and a 1. 6, 2, and a 1. That's no good. Now that 5 and that 9. 5 is smaller than 9, so you are my smallest number, and you're going to be my middle number. So 6,215,903 is my smallest number here, and then I have 6,219,530. That's going to be my middle guy, and then my last number here, 6,251,390. Now we're done. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you watch my other videos. Okay, I'm making a whole series of 5th grade math videos that should help. Hopefully it does. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.